This being the third year of Sadhanapada, we were gearing up for a larger program this year. We were expecting over 1,000 people that would come for the program. Now, after the COVID situation, there was a big shift from preparing for scale to the additional complexity that comes with maintaining a safe environment for everyone.
I feel Sadhanapada in this COVID situation, being here is the best thing that could ever happen to me. It's so beautiful and it's so well structured.
This COVID has become a boon for me in disguise. This gave me the freedom to not really think about what is going to be next for me and have this time frame to build myself. I think it's a big opportunity for me. Having the ashram provide me all the facilities that's needed for my growth with least amount of friction around me, so I can build on myself with more clarity and more intensity and more balance.
So from before, when people would come to the ashram, they could come and arrive on most of whatever date they wanted to. Now they're coming in batches, and when they come, they're first coming into a quarantine period.
We were given a schedule, so I was able to easily follow that schedule and intensify my sadhana in the quarantine only. So my sadhanapada actually began in quarantine.
And when this quarantine started in March, we started out very well. We were trying to be productive at home, have a schedule, but then just as the days went by, the schedule went for a toss. Now that when I'm here at the ashram, following the ashram schedule, being there at 5:30 for Guru Puja, having dedicated time for sadhana, it's been wonderful.
I'm very amazed, with an agility, ashram has taken the steps that are needed to overcome this situation and not to get a single infection when the whole world is dealing with this pandemic.
So for us, it's been very inspiring to see that. We know the impact that taking time for your own sadhana can have. But then to make a tough choice of being here when so much is happening outside and work upon yourself has been very inspiring.
I was very much into nation building, and then I went through biographies of great leaders like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and many other aspects of other leaders also. And then I realized that my body wasn't supportive even for daily activities. I wasn't able to wake up early in the morning. So then I decided I have to work on my body and my mind. And Sadhanapada is offering exactly what I wanted, what I need.
I wanted this year to be focused on my sadhana, because people outside, the situation is going worse. Things which have never been there is a new normal. The yogic lifestyle that you get to live in this 7 months duration, it's very different. I can see how I am responding to the situation very differently. I feel more in control, and I also feel way calmer and composed.
Before, at home means nothing in time. When I sleep, when I get up, nothing is in schedule. But here I learned discipline. After coming here, now I am not able to know how days are passing. When morning and evening, it's just passing like that. So I am able to learn new things. So it's very exciting.